What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To delete your Facebook account on your PC or Mac, make sure you're logged in to the correct Facebook account first, and then click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the page. Next, click Settings and Privacy, and Settings, which will take you to this page. On this page, under the Account Center, click on Personal Information. We are almost there. Now on this page, click on Personal Information once again, and then click on Account Ownership and Control. On the next page, you will see two options, Memorization and Deactivation or Deletion. Click the Deactivation or Deletion option. Now, choose the account you want to delete if you have multiple accounts. Click on the account you want to delete. But here on this page, before you click on Continue and delete your account, read the details in case you want to change your mind. From here, you can either delete your account or deactivate it for some time. If you choose deactivation, then click Continue. If you decide to delete it, choose the Delete Account option and proceed to click Continue. Once you click Continue, it will ask you for your password. Enter your password here and click Continue. Your Facebook account is now deleted. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.